Welcome to SysDev Kalipso Studio version 5, the powerful mobile application generator that suits your needs. Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, is one of the new features available in Kalipso Studio version 5, making it easy to integrate this technology in your own apps. Simply take a picture and the app processes all the necessary information to be read, displaying it in the form of text. These are Eddystone beacons made by Estimote. You can set them up on your Kalipso app, as well as other models using Eddystone and iBeacon protocols. By getting close to the radios defined on the beacon signal transmission, the app will be triggered and displayed information about the artwork. This scenario is also possible with NFC technology. The only difference is the proximity to the tag. Kalipso Studio version 5 features several components which allow the integration of services in your apps, like cloud drives, social networks, and payment systems. Cloud drive services work via HTTP requests, so that you can upload, download, delete, and list specific data from your app to the cloud. Lead your apps into modern connectivity. Kalipso Studio integrates a lot of new hardware devices, such as Zebra's fixed RFID antenna. You can now develop an app to register RFID data collected by the antenna. The items are identified one by the perimeter reached by the antenna, displaying the sum of the total amount of tags. This is great for self-service cashiers. When it comes to apps for in-store processes, RFID is one of the features vastly requested. Kalipso Studio version 5 integrates this technology, making it possible to develop apps with no need of complex coding. You can easily build an app to register several items in a fraction of seconds. In a warehouse, all the products are labeled with a RFID tag, enabling quick identification. Just bring the reader close to the products and the screen will display the information within the tags. In Kalipso Studio version 5, it is possible to build apps made to run in VUZIX glasses. This device is very useful for quality control. The user can see the app through the glasses and use voice commands to execute the demanded tasks completely hands-free. Through voice commands, it is possible to navigate in the app and identify products by its barcode. It is also possible to identify an imperfection in the product and report it with a photo. It is really simple to use new technology with Kalipso Studio. SumUp is a service made for mobile payments. The product works as a component in Kalipso Studio version 5, allowing you to integrate mobile payments in your apps. After configuring the payment description, the SumUp terminal will receive the information to process the payment. When the payment is done, the customer will receive a message on his phone, confirming that the payment was done. Get your payments done, wherever, whenever. Dual-screen apps are useful for retail and sales-related businesses. And now it is possible to develop such projects in Kalipso Studio version 5. This is the ideal solution for resellers, running an app on a dual-screen device at a front office. While the employee selects the items to be sold on the first screen, the selected items are shown to the customer on the other side, as well as the price to be paid. Voice recognition features are a must when it comes to warehouse management processes. Work on a hands-free environment, drastically reducing operational time for each task. To enable voice-picking apps development, Kalipso Studio version 5 uses the NUANCE voice recognition and text-to-speech engines. Kalipso, empowering voices, speeding up tasks.